I generated 247 ad creatives in 1 hour using AI. Here's what happened. Now, before you think this is just some hyped up AI tool review, let me show you the actual results, the real costs, and whether this is actually worth your money. Because spoiler alert, it's not for everyone. So what exactly is AdCreative.ai? In simple terms, it's an AI-powered platform that generates ad creatives for you. We're talking Facebook ads, Instagram ads, display ads, even video ads. You give it some basic information about your product or service, and it spits out dozens of ready-to-use ad designs in seconds. Now, I've been testing this platform for the past 30 days. I've created over 500 ad creatives, spent way too much time comparing it to other tools, and I've got some strong opinions about who should actually use this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything. I'll show you how to create different types of ads, a complete pricing breakdown with actual ROI calculations, the honest pros and cons, and most importantly, who should buy this versus who should run in the opposite direction. If you decide to check it out, I put a link in the description which gives you a free trial. It is an affiliate link, which means I get a small commission if you sign up. But I'm only showing you this because I actually use it. If it was garbage, I'd tell you. Let's dive in. Alright, when you first log into AdCreative.ai, you're going to see a pretty clean dashboard. It's not cluttered, which I appreciate. The platform has 5 main features that you need to know about. First, the creative AI. This is the bread and butter. You upload your logo, enter your brand colors, type in some ad copy or let the AI write it for you, and boom, you get dozens of ad variations. The AI has been trained on millions of high-performing ads, so theoretically, it knows what converts. Second, the creative insights. This is where things get interesting. The platform actually scores each creative on a scale of 1 to 100 based on predicted performance. So if you generate 50 ads, it'll tell you which ones are most likely to drive conversions. Is it always right? No. But it's right more often than it's wrong, and that's what matters. Third, text AI. If you're terrible at writing ad copy, or you just want to save time, this feature generates headlines and descriptions for you. You can pick from different tones like professional, casual, or urgent. I've found the copy to be decent, not amazing, but definitely better than staring at a blank screen for 20 minutes. Fourth, competitor insights. You can spy on your competitors' ads. You enter their website, and the tool shows you what kinds of creatives are working in your industry. This is honestly one of my favorite features because it takes the guesswork out of, what should my ads even look like? And fifth, the video maker. This one's newer. It turns your static ads into short video clips. We're talking 15-second videos with music, transitions, and text overlays. It's not Hollywood-level production, but for quick social media videos, it does the job. So those are the 5 core features. Okay, let me show you how this actually works in practice. I'm going to walk you through creating ads for 3 different scenarios. First up, Facebook ads. The process is incredibly simple. You start a new project, select your ad format, and upload your brand assets. This could be your logo, brand colors, maybe a product image. The platform stores all of this in what they call a brand kit, so you only have to do it once. Then you give the AI a brief description of what you're advertising. Something like marketing agency for B2B lead generation or eco-friendly water bottles for athletes. Keep it simple. AI doesn't need a novel. Hit generate, and within 15 to 20 seconds, you've got 20 different ad variations. Each one comes with a performance score from 1 to 100. The ones scoring in the 90s? Those are the designs that AI predicts will convert best, based on patterns from millions of high-performing ads. What I love is the variety. Some ads are text-heavy with bold headlines. Others are minimal with strong imagery. Some have bright call-to-action buttons, others are more subtle. You're getting different approaches, different layouts, different messaging angles, all at once. Now let's talk about display ads, same workflow. Upload your assets, enter your description, hit generate. But here's what's cool. The AI automatically creates your ads in every major size format. So you've got square ads for Instagram, vertical ads for stories, horizontal banners for websites, all automatically resized and optimized for each placement. You're not manually recreating the same ad in 10 different sizes. And finally, video ads. You can either generate a video from scratch or take one of your static ads and convert it into a short video. The AI adds motion, transitions, background music, animated text. These aren't Hollywood productions, but for quick social media videos, they absolutely work. The entire process from start to finish? I've seen 15-second videos created in under a minute. Maybe 5 minutes to generate dozens of ad options across multiple formats. Compare that to spending hours in Canva or paying a designer and waiting days for revisions. That's the real value here. Alright, let's talk money. Because this is where most people get sticker shock. AdCreative.ai has 3 main pricing tiers. And they're running a promotion right now with 50% off yearly plans. Starter plan. $39 per month or $28 monthly if you pay yearly. You get 10 credits per month. 1 credit equals 1 ad creative, so that's 10 ads total. Honestly, this plan is pretty limited unless you're just testing the platform or creating occasional campaigns. Professional plan. $249 per month or $125 monthly if you pay yearly. You get 50 credits per month, support for 10 brands, and access to all the pro features including creative insights, text AI, and competitor analysis. This is their most popular plan and what most small businesses and agencies actually use. Ultimate plan. $999 per month or $500 monthly if you pay yearly. You get 100 credits, can manage 25 brands, and have access for up to 20 team members. If you're an agency running ads for multiple clients every month, this is the one you'd want. Now, is it worth it? Let's do some math. Let's say you're running Facebook ads for your business. If you hire a graphic designer on Fiverr, you're paying anywhere from $20 to $50 per ad creative. Let's say $30 on average. If you're on the professional plan at $249 per month and you use your 50 credits, that's under $5 per ad. Compare that to the $30 you'd pay a designer. You're saving over $1,200 per month. But here's the catch. The AI isn't going to give you perfect, ready-to-use ads every single time. You're probably going to tweak 30 to 40% of them. So factor in your time. If you're spending an extra hour per week making adjustments, is it still worth it? For most people, yes. Now the bigger ROI comes from testing. Because you can generate dozens of ad variations quickly, you can test way more concepts than you ever could manually. And in paid advertising, the difference between a 2% conversion rate and a 4% conversion rate is massive. If this tool helps you find one winning ad that doubles your conversion rate, it's paid for itself 10 times over. Okay, let's get real. Here are the pros and cons, starting with the pros. Speed. This is the biggest one. You can create 50 ads in the time it would take you to create 2 manually. If you're running multiple campaigns, this is a game changer. The Creative Insights scoring system actually works. I've tested this by running the high-scoring ads versus the low-scoring ads, and the high-scoring ones consistently perform better. It's not perfect, but it's directionally accurate. Great for testing. If you're an advertiser who loves to A/B test, this tool gives you endless variations to experiment with. The competitor analysis is sneaky good. Being able to see what's working in your industry and then generate similar concepts is incredibly valuable. Now the cons. The designs can feel generic. Look, this is AI-generated content. It's not going to have the soul and creativity of a human designer. If your brand is all about unique, custom visuals, this tool isn't for you. The learning curve is steeper than they advertise. The interface is clean, but understanding how to write effective prompts, how to use brand kits, and how to optimize the AI's output takes time. The pricing is aggressive. $249 a month is not cheap, especially for solopreneurs or small businesses. You really need to be running consistent ad campaigns to justify that cost. The video feature is underwhelming. The videos are fine for quick social posts, but they're not going to replace a real video editor. Don't expect cinematic quality. And here's the big one. Garbage in, garbage out. If you give the AI bad inputs, vague descriptions, low-quality logos, you're going to get bad outputs. This isn't magic. You still need to understand what makes a good ad. So who should actually buy AdCreative.ai? You should use this if you're running paid ads consistently. If you're spending $2,000 or more per month on Facebook ads, Google ads, or any paid advertising, this tool will save you time and money. You're an agency managing multiple clients. The ability to crank out hundreds of ad variations for different clients is huge. This tool pays for itself after your first client. You're terrible at design, but you need professional-looking ads. If Canva intimidates you and you can't afford a designer, this is your shortcut. You love to test and iterate. If you're the type of marketer who runs 20 different ad variations to find the winner, this tool is built for you. You should not use this if you're a brand that values highly custom, artistic design. If you're a luxury brand or a creative agency where every pixel matters, AI-generated ads are going to feel cheap. You're only running 1 or 2 campaigns per year. The cost doesn't justify the usage. Just hire a freelancer. You don't understand the basics of advertising. This tool won't teach you what makes a good ad. It'll just make bad ads faster. You're expecting it to replace human creativity entirely. It won't. It's a tool to speed up production, not replace strategy. Alright, here's the bottom line. AdCreative.ai is a powerful tool for the right person. If you're running consistent ad campaigns and you need to generate a high volume of creatives quickly, it's absolutely worth the investment. If you want to try it out, I've got a link in the description for a 7-day free trial. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link, so I get a small commission if you sign up, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. And honestly, the free trial is enough time to test whether this fits your workflow. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you using AdCreative.ai? What's been your experience? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe because I'm doing deep dives on more AI tools like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.